On the website here, HR California, probably the biggest thing about us is we're California specific. So everything you need to handle California and federal laws, you can get one place. It's always up to date. As you know, California moves at a fast pace. So everything is real time. And if you can see here, I'm highlighting the HR library. We've designed this site around a biz HR professional, small business owner. Somebody's looking for a quick form, quick answer to their question, and so on. A big thing for a small business owner, I talk to him often, is managing forms and documents. There's a plethora of them. There's basically over 400 in California. And how we simplify that for you is, if you can see my screen, we go to Forms and Tools, Forms. So now we have all the forms arranged alphabetically, A to Z. But instead of going through that way, we can instead go by a topic and a subtopic. I'm going to just make up a common scenario to show you one, just how we manage all the documents for you. This might be something too that you're dealing with, is vacation, PTO. So we would pick leaves of absence, our topic. Our subtopic would be vacation, PTO, and holidays. Then I hit submit. Now we've narrowed it down from the whole library, all 400, down to just the 3 we need for this one scenario. If we wanted to see what a form would look like, as a member, we'd hit download, open, and now we have the official document, in this case for a type of leaves in Spanish, already pre-translated, compliant, ready to roll out to the team. Another thing we designed kind of around a small business, they're called checklists, which these are basically simplified step-by-step instructions on how to hire somebody, how to terminate somebody. The wizards are interactive. They'll ask you questions, and then based on the answers, you can see, are we doing our HR correctly in California? Do we have all our safety done right? Of course, a very popular one is exempt and non-exempt. Do we have our employees classified correctly? The how-tos, they're similar to a checklist. The difference is you can see a how-to like a checklist, step-by-step how to do something. But in addition, a how-to is more interactive. It has links. Like here's a link to a current application, to if you're working on a job description. Go back here on the far left to the HR library. Go all the way down to the bottom where it says Q&As. Those are 500 of the most frequently asked HR questions already been answered from our legal experts on staff. This is called the Labor Law Helpline, and with that, you can call or email with your HR question. You're not just dealing with one attorney here. You can see you've got 11 different experts. Perks and discount, we partner with these different companies, FedEx, UPS, and with your membership, you might qualify for special rates. We actually just added a brand new one here down on the bottom called Wix, which helps you with building websites, and we have special things that we can offer members exclusive to this website. A CalChamber membership will cover everything you'll need to handle in California, keep you up to date with all the constant changes happening around you, and also hopefully alleviate a lot of the burden off your shoulders.